Yeah, I'm Casper. I'm 33 years old, living in Denmark. We're now here in the east part of Zealand, calling Kalundborg. We are driven 1100 hectares organic farming, and we invested this power chain after testing it for a few weeks last year, and we find out that how the system works, that we only need to cultivate in the top part of the soil. To be invented this weed control, will find this system very easy. So even if you have students or other young people driving, it's very easy to drive with this machine and makes a proper job. The only thing we find difficult is when the soil is getting wet, that exactly will block through the chain. While it's dry, it's finding perfectly conditions that this will move even from 1 to 3 centimeters, that we don't put the germination of the seeds further down, that when we have been driven with this machine, everybody will start germination and start making the plants will grow again, and also even then die at the second time we drive with this machine. It's a bit when you need to find the adjustments on the machine. It's quite easy though, but you still need to be awake all the time to adjust it right, so it make a nice even surface. Another good thing about the power chain is that you only need 160 horsepower to pull this machine with a speed around 10 to 12 kilometers an hour. If it's a bit too hilly, you might need a bit more horsepower, but it will still do the job, even a bit slower. So if you're going to big hillsides, it's around 7-8 kilometers an hour with 160 horsepower. Today we're driving with a bigger tractor, that when you see we have enough horsepower, the fuel cost driving with this machine is very low, and probably only go around, I think, 2 or 3 liters in hectare, maybe even less than this. Power chain can do many different jobs. Find it very nice cutting just after harvest. If even you get a high stubble, it won't be blocked, so it's nice and easy. You can drive nearly through after all of the varieties of the seeds we do. The canola, still call it canola, isn't it? Yeah, and all the weed stubbles and. As you see in the video now, if my voice is connected to it, this is one of very clay heel soil side we have, and it's northern turned, so it's not, the sun is that easier to go over here and dry the soil up. Then you will see the disc is sometimes getting a bit too much soil on it. Can though, after you're getting out of this trouble, speed it up a bit more. It's actually pretty easy to clean itself.